Buyers, beware and do not make these mistakes when shopping for your home. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker. As a home buyer, in today's market, you face lot of challenges. There is a lot to consider when making the decision on perhaps the biggest purchase of your lifetime. But there is a way not to get tripped up during the process. First and foremost, be sure to hire a real estate professional for guidance and the best possible advice. A real estate professional will be sure to guide you through the process and help you to make the best decision and not make mistakes that could cost you your dream home. So, what mistakes do you not want to make when searching for a home and submitting an offer? Putting off pre-approval. Part of the buying process is making sure you get pre-approved with a lender. A lender will look at your finances and determine what type of loan is best for you and how much money you can borrow within your means. Knowing what you can borrow from the bank will help you to make your decision clearer on what you can afford. If you wait until the last moment to get pre-approved, you may find out that the home you are wanting is far too expensive for you. Holding out for perfection. It is not always a good idea to wait for the perfect house to come along that checks all your boxes. Yes, it is a big investment, but sometimes you need to be more realistic about your must-haves versus your nice to have. It may mean that you need compromise, especially in lower inventory markets. Maybe the neighborhood you want to live in is an absolute must for you, but the kitchen doesn't have the stainless steel appliances you desire. Look for the home that has most your must-haves and good structural bones. You can always update to the nice to have later down the road, buying more house than you can afford. Do not overextend your budget and buy a house that is too expensive for your overall budget. You do not want to become house poor. Focus on what monthly payment you can offer rather than fixating on the maximum loan amount you qualify for. And most important, do not make the mistake of not working with a real estate professional. Buying a home is a process that involves multiple parties, paperwork, negotiations, and expertise. In other words, it takes a village of professionals to bring all the pieces together. Mistakes can cost you time, frustration, and money. Having a good real estate professional by your side is priceless. If you would like more information on what is happening locally in your market with housing, please reach out to my team and me. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker with the tradition of excellence and integrity. And when you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and have a great day.